In today's video, I'll teach you how to find YouTube video ID. So first of all, open YouTube on any browser. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. What you have to do is simply open the video of whose you want to find the ID. Simply click on that particular video. Now once you do that, that particular video will be played. Now in order to find the ID, what you have to do is look into the URL bar. You'll be able to see the link over here. You can see V equals to written over here. Basically all the characters written after the equals to is your YouTube video ID. What you can do is simply select all of these characters. So this is basically your YouTube video ID. So like this, you'll be able to find the YouTube video ID. So that is how you find YouTube video ID. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.